It's October 1st, 2024, which means it's launch day for the brand new Max EDC backpack from Able Carry. So let's check out this 26-liter bag, because whether you're traveling for 2 weeks or just commuting to and from work, this bag is so full of features that it might be the only backpack you'll need. If you don't know Able Carry, they are a Hong Kong-based manufacturer of highly durable, built-to-last travel and everyday carry backpacks. Thanks so much to Able Carry for sending me this backpack to try out and for asking me to be part of their official launch. If you love this bag as much as I do and want to snag one for yourself, be sure to use the affiliate link in the description as it helps out the channel. If you are familiar with Able Carry, you might already know the popular 30-liter Max backpack in their lineup. While similar in look, the bag I have here for you today brings even more organization and consideration to the design, making it, in my opinion, the new go-to bag in their arsenal. And if you're familiar with this channel, you know that I love Able Carry bags, so I'm really happy to see that they are expanding their product line by adding thoughtful features that will only help the end user in both travel and everyday carry. So let's check out the specs of this bag. The Max EDC comes in at 19.6 inches by 11.8 inches by 7.5 inches and has a 26-liter capacity across 3 distinct compartments. The bag features Able Carry's A-frame suspension design to prevent the backpack from sagging and for optimal ergonomics. The outside is made with both X-Pack and 1000D Cordura nylon, and the inside features 420D ripstop nylon. The bag comes in 4 different colorways: tarmac black, desert brown, earth green, and the ocean blue that we are looking at here. And all of those are going to retail for $270 US. So now let's check out the details of the bag. And we're going to start with this front compartment, which is a great place to put a pair of shoes or a larger sweatshirt. There's also a smaller elastic pocket in here that could be great for something like sunglasses as long as you keep them in a case. Next is the first of 2 side pockets, and this one is great for quick access. There's going to be a key leash in here, which is where I have my keys attached, and a little fabric divider. And this is also going to be a great place for you to put your wallet and your phone, especially when you're traveling through security at the airport. Now moving on to the other side of the bag, there's a zipper compartment for up to a 1-liter water bottle, or you could also put an umbrella in this spot instead. And then the top of the bag features an additional small accessories pocket, and right now I have my Anbernic handheld video game device in here. There's also this little loop to hang your bag, as well as a handle on the top and a handle on the side of the bag. Now onto the main compartment, which unzips pretty much the whole way down so that you can easily pack this thing up. Right now, I have my toiletries bag and a few t-shirts in here. And then behind that, there's also this thin little elastic pocket for a tablet or a book. There's also an additional inside stretchy pocket for a water bottle or umbrella. and the front flap has 2 additional zipper pockets. Now, moving to the back of the bag, we have the work compartment, which features a floating laptop sleeve for up to a 17-inch laptop, as well as a zippered admin pocket for things like a mouse, cords, chargers, or any other kind of tech items. And last but not least, we have the back of the bag, which has this removable magnetic sternum strap, and it has these really well padded shoulder straps. And these also feature these thin little pockets in them, and this is going to be a perfect place to put your public transit pass or a credit card. And then lastly, we have this luggage pass-through. And that's the new EDC Max from Able Carry. If you want to see how I pack this bag up for a 2-week trip or for everyday carry, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for Friday's video, because I'm going to pack this thing up for multiple use cases. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.